Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika. Today I am here to share with you 5 of my favorite blushes that I've been enjoying. Most is from this year, and I'm just gonna get right into it because I don't want to make this a super long video. I'm not gonna go in any particular order because I love all of these blushes for different reasons, as they are all different. They're all different in color. So let me just get right into it. Like I said, first I have one of my absolute favorites, and this is from IT Cosmetics, the Bye Bye Pores blush. And this is a really lovely blush. So if you do have large pores or oily skin, I feel like this is an amazing option. As me personally, I have large pores and oily skin. When I found a blush that doesn't emphasize my pores, I got really excited, as I've reviewed this on my channel maybe about 2 years ago. But nevertheless, this is a lovely pink shade, pink outside the box, which is really a beautiful color, and I will absolutely recommend this one to you if you do have large pores and you do love blushes but you don't like that look of large pores when you put your blushes on. I will absolutely recommend that you find your favorite color in this IT Cosmetics blush. Up next, I have from LYS Beauty. This is a new brand to Sephora. This is a clean brand to Sephora. This is also a black owned brand to Sephora this year, which I love a lot. All three of those reasons I just give you. My main reason for bringing this one to you today is because these are some lovely cream matte blushes. These go on in a creamy form, but they set to a really nice powder form, and I purchased this one in 2 different shades because I love this one so much. Me personally, I like pink and orange blushes, so when I find a blush that I like, I usually purchase them in orange and pink if that is an option. The shade Inspire, which is this pretty orange shade, and I also purchased it in this beautiful pink shade, which is Passion. These are such beautiful blushes. If you do have dry skin, I feel like this would be a lovely option for you. If you do have oily skin like me, I feel like this would also be a lovely option for you. If you do have large pores, I feel like this is also a great option for you, as this one doesn't emphasize your pores in any way at all. It just goes on seamless. Cream blushes work well with any type of foundation. It's just a matter of application, knowing how to apply them. I feel like cream blushes are better applied with your fingers. You can also use a brush to apply these, but from my personal experience, these apply seamlessly with my fingers, and that's why I had to come and bring these to you as one of my absolute favorite blushes. Next, I have from Fenty Beauty, and this is another cream blush in the shade Fenty Glow. I also reviewed this one here on my channel, and this is the full size blush, but they come in a really small packaging, which is nice for me. These are perfect for traveling. These are perfect for if you like a more neutral blush with not too much of a rich color payoff. This is an amazing option if you want a blush that you can wear to go to work with. I feel like this is also an amazing option, as like I said, doesn't give much of a color payoff. As you can see right here, it doesn't give much of a color payoff, but it does give like a really nice glow. And this one, like I said, is in the shade Fenty Glow, and I will absolutely recommend this one. It doesn't emphasize your pores at all. It goes on seamless on us oily skin girls. I feel like this is also an amazing option for dry skin girls. Up next, I have from Rare Beauty, and this is the Soft Pinch Matte Liquid Blush. This is a liquid matte blush. It's in this beautiful pink shade, Grace. Liquid blushes are great for everyone. A liquid blush, I usually just put 2 dots on the cheek area and I work it in with my fingers as I do the other cream blushes that I showed to you previously. But this is an amazing option. It does come in maybe about 12 to 15 different colors, and I am gonna link all of these blushes in the description box. And last but not least, I have from ColourPop. This is their Cheek Dew Serum Blushes. And I purchased this one in 2 different shades, and in the shade Bubbles, and the shapes is this really lovely dark orange, which is really a beautiful option for if you do like orange blushes. This one is an amazing option for if you do have dry skin, if you do have combination skin, if you do have oily skin. This is lovely. It just have a really rich color payoff to this one, and you have to just go very gentle with this one. I would suggest you just put a really tiny drop to your finger and work that into your cheek very lightly, as this one, the color payoff is very rich with this one. If you're on a budget, I feel like this is also an amazing option because this one is maybe about $6 or $7. I'm gonna link it in the description box, but this works really well. The color payoff is magnificent. It holds up all day on my oily skin, and I would recommend this to all skin types. I'm gonna swatch the shade Bubbles for you, which is more a plum color. Lovely blushes, and I will absolutely recommend them to you if you love blushes. Let me know in the bottom, what is your favorite blushes? Did I mention one of them today? Or did I miss something that's really lovely? Please share it with me below in the comment section, as I always look forward to finding lovely makeup. I really hope this video was helpful to lots, and if you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.